Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing amazing. Guess what? In today's video, I am going to show you the best affordable way to achieve and maintain a very smooth, glowing skin. Now, this routine is for the face, okay? So you can still be able to take care of your skin and look good and feel good in your skin, even if you're on a tight budget, okay? So if this video is of any interest to you, you might have to keep watching, and let's get deeper into the video. This is Asantee brightening and exfoliating soap. It is the best, most affordable brightening and exfoliating soap in the skincare market. I think for 20 to 25 cedis you can get this soap. It is very cheap, but it is going to glow your skin. It can polish your skin and make your skin look very radiant. Okay, so I recommend this soap as your facial bar, especially as someone with an oily, acne prone skin. This soap is a very good acne treatment soap that can help dry out any acne from your skin. Not only that, it can also help to maintain your smooth skin after your acne has dried out. Okay, so if you're on a tight budget, this is the first product that you should have in your stash. Now, because Asantee papaya is a very active soap, you will not be able to use it all the time, especially during the day. Okay, just 2 to 3 times a week will be enough for this soap to do wonders on your skin. So you will need a very mild cleanser that you can use during the day and on days or on nights when you will not be using your Asantee papaya soap. Right, so I recommend this mild cleanser for you. This is Cousins baby soap. I know you did not see that one coming. Yes, well, I recently discovered that this baby bar soap is a very good bar soap that you can use on your face as your facial cleanser. It is mild, it cleanses effectively, and above all, it is going to leave enough hydration on your skin. I have been keeping a secret from you guys. Like, I have been using it for close to a month, and guys, it has been nothing short of amazing. Like, this soap has done amazingly well on my skin, and I am really surprised. I could not wait to share it with you guys. I wanted to talk about it on a whole new other video, but I was like, nah, let me share it with my people, for my affordable budget queens. Okay, so this soap is a very good facial bar that you can be using to cleanse your skin. Like I said, it is really mild. I love it, and I am very certain you are also going to love it. Okay, so now your next step that you're going to take as someone on a very tight budget is the use of a moisturizer. You will need a moisturizer that you can use after washing your face with your Asantee papaya soap. That is because Asantee papaya can be very drying on the skin. So even as an oily, acne prone skin, you still need to follow up with another product that is soothing, that is mild, that is hydrating after using your Asantee papaya soap. See, if you can afford to buy a toner, I would highly recommend you get one, because it is going to do amazing on your skin. It is going to reset the pH balance of your skin and all of that. Okay, and if you can invest in a toner, I recommend this simple toner right here. It is a very good option, and I'll leave a few more other toners right here on your screen. You can choose any one that you can afford. Okay, so you're going to use your toner before you use your moisturizer. But if you can't afford a toner, if you're on a serious tight budget, you can just go straight ahead and use your moisturizer. Okay, and for moisturizers, I also recommend this aloe vera gel right here. I use this aloe vera gel on my skin as well. It is very hydrating, soothing. It has everything that your oily skin type will also need. It glides easily into the skin. It will not clog your pores and all of that. It hydrates my own skin, and I love it. Okay, and I'm very sure that it is going to do the same for your skin. Okay, you see this routine with Asantee papaya, you cannot do without a sunscreen. I am sorry, but you need to include a sunscreen in this routine. Okay, if you know you're going to grab this Asantee papaya, even without the use of lightening soaps, you still need to use a sunscreen. Okay, but especially with the use of this Asantee, you need to include a sunscreen in there, and there are a lot of affordable sunscreens in the market. I particularly use this one from Estellin. It has been very good on my skin as well. It is lightweight, it also blends in easily. I have used it today. Okay, and you can see there are no white cast on my skin. When I got it, I was using it in a very wrong way, but I have cracked my way into using it well. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use it in another video. But this estellin has been very, very good to my skin of late. I just like the way it glides into my skin without leaving any white cast. And if you have an oily, acne prone skin, you can also grab this estellin sunscreen. Okay, but when it comes to sunscreens, the higher the price, the more effective. So if you can afford, one a little bit higher in price, definitely get it. Okay, I can recommend this Biore UV sunscreen, something of that sort. I'll leave the picture here. You can also get the Nivea sunscreen. La Roche-Posay has a lot of sunscreens that are doing amazingly well on the skin of so many people. Like, there are so many high-end affordable sunscreens that you can choose. You can also try out this Dr. Rachel if you're on a very, very tight budget. I have used this My Choice sunscreen in the past. It is also very, very good. Okay, so just choose any one that you can afford, but remember, the higher the price, the more effective. Okay, so just choose the one that you can afford. But if you can afford one a little bit higher in price than the estellin, don't be stingy, go for it, girl, because your skin is going to thank you later on in future. Always remember to wear your sunscreen on a daily basis during the day when you're going to step out into the sun, and always try to shield your skin from the sun. This is something that I haven't been able to do. That is something I am trying to work on, shielding my skin from the sun even though I have a sunscreen on, because I come back with my skin looking a little bit dark and I'm like so if you can shield your skin from the sun, by all means do. Okay, by all means do, especially if you're someone who is always under the sun. And when you're going to use this Asantee papaya, you have to make sure that you always have a sunscreen on, shield your skin from the sun. If you have to stand under a tree to wait for a car, if you have to use an umbrella, if you have to use a cap or a hat, if you have to wear protective clothing, if you know you're going to wear something like this outside, make sure that you spread your sunscreen to this part of your body and your hands as well. But trust me, I don't wear these things outside. I am always wearing protective clothing, so you can also wear the same. The reason why I'm saying that is because you can also use the Asantee papaya on your body. Okay, just remember to use it 2 to 3 times a week, and along with hydrating products as well. But if you want a full detailed video on how to use Asantee papaya in your body care routine as well, please, you can let me know down in the comment section. I am going to gladly do that for you. Okay, because I always say I am here for you guys to help with your skincare, body care journey, and all of that. Okay, so this is the right affordable skincare routine with Asantee papaya that you can indulge in, especially as someone with an oily, acne prone skin on their face, who is broke, like on a broke budget, on a student budget. Trust that this routine is going to give you a smooth, glowing skin. It is very simple, but it is going to glow your skin nicely for you. You don't need a 10 skincare step routine to achieve a glowing skin. Just a 3-step routine or even a 2-step routine can help you achieve a glowing skin, can help perfectly with that for you. Okay, you just need the right products that will match well with your skin type for that to happen. Even if it is a 2-step routine or a 3-step routine, just make sure that the products that you're going to use are matching well with your skin, and trust me, your skin is going to glow for you. Okay, thank you so much for passing by. If you made it this far, you don't know how much it means to me that you made it this far. If you are new here and you want to join my community, please hit the subscribe button. Also, leave me any comments down in the comment section. If you have any questions as well, please do leave them down in the comments section. Also, don't forget to like this video before leaving, and I'll catch you in the very next one. Till next time, take care, stay blessed, love you, bye.